Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a fantastic, literally brand new 1951 GMC 5-window pickup. Absolutely gorgeous. Finished in red. Every nut and bolt is brand new. Man. Oak bed, stainless runners, brand new aluminum tank. It's been powder coated also. Every piece of chrome has been redone. This truck is almost too nice to drive. You see the Chevys around? You don't see the GMC, especially with 5 windows. It's got a 357 horsepower crate motor in it from General Motors Performance Division. We really have about 380 horsepower. 10 bolt in the back with a 4-link setup. Man, look at this grill, screaming. Nice big stout grill, chrome everywhere. No expense on this truck. Let me show you under the hood. There it is. Brand new crate motor. 357 horse. MSD billet distributor. It's electronic. Shorty Headers. Double pumper carburetor. I believe it's a 600. All new wiring. All new stainless hardware everywhere. This is all powder coated. That's not paint. Seals, gaskets. Brand new heater core on there too. It's a round heater core, very rare. Only one company makes them. Oh my God, this thing is just artwork. Aluminum radiator with an electric fan. Champion radiator. A hookah horn. You gotta have that. Headman Headers, best. It's got a Saginaw 4-speed transmission in it. Completely rebuilt, completely gone through. Absolutely perfect. This truck is new. You can even see the insulation right there poking through. Body was completely off. The frame along with the bed. Gorgeous. All new chrome around the windows, all new felts. Seals and gaskets around the rear windows. They look brand new too. Stainless fittings back here as well. Man, just fantastic. Inside is brand new too. Every screw and nut brand new. Beautiful. Brand new carpet, brand new seat, headliner, interior light, visor, steering wheel. Gotta have that. Pedals. E-brake. These are all brand new Classic Instruments, Classic Series gauges. Not many miles. It's got a brand new stereo too. I believe that has aux in. 3 miles on it. Wow. That is nuts. Brand new heater under here as well. Big panel speakers for the stereo. Unreal. Does not get nicer. Look at the bolts and everything in here. Literally a brand new truck. Dual exhaust. Sounds real lumpy. Not a scratch, not a nick, no disappointments. Man, amazing. All the emblems and everything too are brand new. Literally 3 miles. Beautiful. Added turn signals, all of the lights are all brand new as well. Billet pole. Brand new wipers, wiper blades, motor, rear view mirror. Motor's a roller motor too. Got a nice cam in it. Real lumpy. Revs out beautifully. Man, gorgeous. Man, this is artwork. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Hit me up, 631-339-0399. You can also check out about 250 photos I took today on the website. It's weebyautos.com. This one's not gonna last long.